History behind Bonfire Night and facts about the 5th of November gunpowder plot. He's world famous thanks to his distinctive mustached face, which has been adopted as a mask by anti-capitalists, but Guy Fawkes is best known for failing to blow up Westminster Palace. On November 5, 1605, Guy was foiled as he plotted to destroy the Houses of Parliament during state opening and kill all inside it, including the king, in what became known as the gunpowder plot. But aside from that, what do we know about the conspirator who was just 35 when he died? He was born on April 13, 1570 in Stonegate in York, and was educated at St. Peter's School in York, preferring to be called Guido Fawkes. As a boy he lived near York with his father Edward and his mother Edith.